Cleanse and revive your liver with these foods. The liver is one of the most important organs in your body, performing essential functions like detoxification, nutrient storage, and the production of bile for digestion. Its role in filtering harmful substances and metabolizing fats, proteins, and carbohydrates makes liver health crucial for overall well-being. In today's world, where processed foods, alcohol, and toxins are common, taking care of your liver is more important than ever. One of the most effective ways to support liver health is through proper nutrition. In this video we will explore top 11 proven foods that are particularly beneficial for the liver, helping to cleanse and protect this vital organ. 1. Garlic. Garlic has long been recognized for its medicinal properties, and it's particularly beneficial for liver health. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that are essential for activating liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Additionally, garlic is rich in selenium, a mineral that helps boost the natural antioxidant levels in the liver. These benefits combined make garlic an excellent choice for reducing liver inflammation and oxidative stress. You can add garlic to your cooking, crush it into salads, or take garlic supplements. For maximum benefits, consume raw garlic or lightly cooked garlic, as it retains more of its beneficial compounds. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric, the bright yellow spice commonly used in curries, is another powerful food for liver health. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric enhances the production of bile, which helps in the digestion of fats and the removal of toxins from the liver. This makes it particularly useful for detoxifying the liver and reducing fat accumulation in liver cells. You can add turmeric to your meals, smoothies, or take it in supplement form. Combining turmeric with black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it more effective. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are high in chlorophyll, a compound that helps cleanse the liver by neutralizing heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. They also have a high antioxidant content, which helps to reduce oxidative stress in the liver and promotes overall liver health. Moreover, they assist in bile production, which is necessary for digesting fats. Incorporating leafy greens into salads, smoothies, or stir-fries is a great way to include these liver-protective foods in your diet. You can also juice them to get a concentrated dose of their liver-supporting nutrients. 4. Beets. Beets are rich in betalains, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and detoxify the liver. They are also high in nitrates, which improve blood flow and support liver function. Beets enhance the production of liver enzymes that help remove toxins from the body and improve bile production, making them particularly effective at promoting liver health. You can eat beets raw, roast them, or add them to salads and juices. Drinking beet juice is one of the most effective ways to harness the liver cleansing power of this vegetable. 5. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in detoxifying the liver. The monounsaturated fats in avocados also support liver health by reducing inflammation and preventing fat accumulation in the liver. Avocados are great for preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or enjoy them as guacamole. Avocados can also be a healthy alternative to butter or mayonnaise in various dishes. 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are excellent for liver health due to their high vitamin C content and powerful antioxidants. Vitamin C helps the liver detoxify harmful substances and encourages the production of glutathione, a compound critical for liver detoxification processes. Additionally, the natural acids in citrus fruits boost the production of liver enzymes, helping to flush out toxins more efficiently. Drinking lemon water in the morning is a popular way to cleanse the liver. You can also enjoy citrus fruits as snacks or incorporate them into your meals and salads for a tangy flavor. 7. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower are rich in compounds that support liver detoxification. They contain glucosinolates, which help the liver produce detoxifying enzymes, and they also reduce the risk of liver damage. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants that can protect against oxidative stress and may even help prevent liver cancer. You can steam, sauté, or roast cruciferous vegetables to enjoy their liver protective benefits. Adding them to stir-fries, soups, or salads is a simple way to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. 8. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve liver function and protect against liver diseases. The polyphenols in green tea help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, making it an excellent choice for those looking to support their liver health. Additionally, drinking green tea regularly can help improve liver enzyme levels, further aiding in detoxification. Drinking 2-3 cups of green tea per day can provide significant liver health benefits. Be sure to choose pure green tea without added sugars or artificial flavors for the best results. 9. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the few nuts that contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing liver inflammation and fat accumulation. They are also rich in glutathione and arginine, both of which support liver detoxification. Walnuts help to cleanse the liver and promote its overall health by improving circulation and aiding the removal of toxins. You can snack on walnuts, add them to salads, or use them as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. Including a handful of walnuts in your daily diet can go a long way in supporting liver health. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These properties make olive oil beneficial for reducing liver inflammation and improving liver function. Olive oil also helps the liver by lowering bad cholesterol levels and promoting better digestion of fats, which eases the liver's workload. By consuming olive oil regularly, you can protect your liver from oxidative stress and damage. You can use olive oil as a cooking oil, drizzle it over salads, or include it in dressings. Just a tablespoon or 2 per day is enough to support liver health. 11. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing liver inflammation and preventing fat buildup in the liver. These fish also improve liver enzyme levels, helping the liver to function more effectively. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce the risk of liver diseases like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease by preventing fat accumulation and reducing oxidative stress in liver cells. Eating fatty fish 2-3 times per week is an excellent way to support liver health. You can bake, grill, or steam the fish to preserve its beneficial fats. If you don't consume fish regularly, fish oil supplements are a good alternative. Taking care of your liver is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support liver detoxification, reduce inflammation, and protect your liver from damage. Remember that lifestyle choices like reducing alcohol consumption, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly also play a vital role in liver health. Your liver is the body's powerhouse for detoxification and metabolism, and feeding it the right nutrients will help ensure it continues to function optimally. Whether you're looking to detoxify your liver or maintain its health, these foods are a natural and effective way to keep your liver in top condition. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Vitality Unplugged for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy, and take care of that liver.